Okay, this is my rendition of pin holder. This only fits this mill, but the quill is allowed to go up and down, and that shaft slides up and down in that hole. So the quill can come up and down. Now, I made this pin holder here that it slides freely up and down. It only moves about 1/4 inch. It doesn't even have to move that far. We're talking about moving 20 thousandths at the most in the machine when it goes to print. Now, this metal sheath, the inner tube, slides up and down and is only held in by gravity. Now, let's assume that this pin is not, well, I can feel the weight. That's plenty of weight without even adding any weight. It will slide nicely along the surface without ruining the felt tip. And that pin is held in to that inner tube by O-rings. So I can merely pull that pin out and put a different size pin in there and use different size O-rings to allow that to be at one with the with that inner aluminum tubing. So this will fit any kind of pin, and interchangeable. And it has, like I say, it has about 3/16 movement. That's plenty. So when the quill comes down, since there's no spring, no matter where the quill is, it's the same amount of pressure on the felt tip. If there was any doubt about it, I needed more weight, which I'm sure I don't. That's probably about 1 ounce of weight right there, maybe 2. I could add in the tube. You can see at the top there, comes up in the tube. In the tube, I could add weight if I wanted to. I'm sure I'm not going to have to. But anyway, this is all of the parts, and in order to use different diameter pins, then that will only be adjusted by different size O-rings. You might have to hunt for O-rings. I bought a set of, I think, 1,000 O-rings or something in it, and they had a different, another one with different size. But I haven't tried a different size pin, but this one is solid. I mean, it won't drop down. It doesn't move, and so that'll be just fine. Now the next one I'll show you is the finished one for the bugler pinstripe, and I figured out a way to allow that to slide up and down without turning the wheel. Pretty simple fix, but I'll show you that in the next video. So there you go.